Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we always have health talk. And today guys, I want to talk about on how to do pregnancy tests at home without going to hospital, without using expensive pregnancy test tips. So I just use a similar way on how to do pregnancy tests. So please, if you are new in this channel, please remember to subscribe. For those who have subscribed, thanks so much. I love you all. Now today I'm going to teach you on how to do pregnancy tests at home using pregnancy rapid test strips. These are the ones. These pregnancy rapid tests. You can use this one, all these one. These are the common one. So when you go into the chemist, you just find this one or this one, but they are the same. It's only the difference is the company that produces them. So I'm going to teach you on how to do it. Before I go further, I am doing pregnancy test. You have to put your urine in a clean container. This is my container. You don't have to put full amount of urine in the container. No, you just need little amount of urine, not much urine. So you put some urine in the container like this. Then you buy 2 strips or 2 pregnancy strips. These are my 2 strips. Both of them are for testing, but one you are going to test and the other one you are going to confirm the result. So I'm going to use this one. This is a pregnancy test strip. So using your urine in a clean container, you just remove the strip just inside here. You remove the strip, and then this is my strip, guys. I think you can see it. You have the pink part, and then this white, the white part. So when doing the pregnancy test, you just dip on the other white, this white part, this one. This is where you're going to dip in the urine. So, and if you can see, there's a small mark here. You can see there's a small mark. So the mark is the where you're going to dip until you reach this point where the mark is. So I'm going to dip it in my urine like this until you see where the mark is. Yeah. Then wait for at least for 3 minutes. So I'm going to wait for the result. As we wait for the result, there is when it's negative, you just see one line, but when it's positive, you just see two lines. So when it's negative, you just see one line, but when it's positive, you just see 2 lines. So let's see what it is. I can't see mine. Can you see my? This line, it just has only one line here, so mine is negative. Mine is negative, guys. If you can see it well, yeah, mine is so negative. So I'm not pregnant. But when you are pregnant, it will show 2 lines here, and this part. So mine is negative. So I'm not pregnant, guys. So for those who are pregnant, it will show 2 lines. It's just how you do simple pregnancy test. So to be sure, you just repeat the test again after 3 minutes so that it can confirm if truly you are pregnant or not. Thank you so much for your time, and please, if you like my video, please remember to subscribe, share to your friends, and comment, please. Bye.